Hey guys, it's Alex, and today I'm going to be talking about my desktop setup / desk setup. So without further ado, let's get started. And to round this thing off and get us started, I am using a 2014 MacBook Pro. I've had this thing for a long time. It works really well, and I can't blame it. It's keeping up with my 4K video editing needs just fine. I may replace it in the future with something, and if I do, I'm thinking about getting an iMac, so we'll see. The next thing that is involved with my MacBook is the hinge dock. I love this dock. It makes going from mobile to desktop super easy. After that, I have an LG screen that is 4K. I can't exactly remember the exact model number. It covers 99% of the sRGB color space and does a very good job for color grading and just basic creative work with graphics and video design. So it's a good display that most people can appreciate. The desk that I'm using is pretty much just a basic IKEA desk. I've actually taken two of these and put them together, and they're really simple and kind of small. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but overall they do the job, and I really like the white look that they provide. It's very clean and minimalist. The next thing I use for my peripheral is the Logitech MX 2S. It's a really nice mouse, and it has this amazing scroll wheel, which is good for video editing. Plus, the comfort level is just great. When you're working day in and day out doing creative work, it makes working very easy and pleasurable. Next thing I have is a stereotypical Apple keyboard. Works well, and it's never failed me. Just the only thing I don't like is it hogs so many batteries. After that, we're going to go on and talk about my audio setup. As you can see, I have two monitors from Mackie, and they are the CR4s, I believe, and they sound pretty good. They don't have the most bass in the world, but they do a decent job. I also like my headphones, and I'll discuss those in a second. They're both Massdrop exclusives, and Massdrop does some really great stuff. My amplifier and DAC of choice right now is the Shit Audio Shit Stack. It's the Magni 3 and Modi 2 Uber, and this allows me some unique connections. It's a high quality DAC and amp combo, and really is nice. It's built in the United States of America, and it's just a good company to support, and I enjoy the product. It sounds amazing. The next thing is my first pair of headphones. They're planar magnetics. They are the HE4XX from Hi-Fi Man, and they're amazing. After that, I also have the Sennheiser 6XX. These are another good set of entry-level audiophile headphones that are really good, and they both have a unique serial number that is numbered, so you can kind of see when they were made. As you can see, guys, I also have a light strip behind my computer monitor. This is from Lifex. I really enjoy it, and it's really cool because I think it's better than Philips Hue in some ways because you can change individual colors. Thanks, guys. This has been my 2018 setup. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a comment, a thumbs up, or maybe even subscribe. Thanks, guys. Peace.